Everyone, welcome back to Monday Meds. I hope your week is off to a great start. Happy Monday to you all. Yes, it's Monday. It is the last Monday of October. October, guys. Wow. We just said happy October, didn't we? Yes, so you've been enjoying the Delectable Delights oils. And yes, I know many of you have been asking about my hair. Yes, so you're probably wondering, why do I have this on my head, this hair wrap? I will share Hair Care 101 next week. Yes, so next month, as we talked about, that we have our plan or schedule for or Monday Meds lined up. Next month we'll be talking about hair care, oral care. We'll be talking about nail care. And yes, we'll be talking about skin care. So you can't afford to miss November. So, anyhow, today we are going to be talking about an exciting oil. I don't know how many of you have ever heard of it. Yes, today we'll be talking about an oil that is great for your hair, for your skin. Yep, even you guys, it is men, it is great for you too. So keep watching as we will talk more on onion, onion oil. Yes, Delectable Delights onion oil. We'll give you the tutorial along with some of the uses and benefits. Keep watching, and I'm your health educator, Tanisha Lawrence, and this is your Monday Meds.
Welcome to Delectable Delights Onion Oil Tutorial. Here we used one onion. You can use the yellow onion. If you have the red onion, that would be best. You could actually mix them too, but we do have the yellow onions available. So yes, we dice them up and then we're going to be heating them into coconut oil. Here we have just about a cup because we just want a small portion to start. But you can use any amount of oil you want to use and any amount of onions as you desire. Onions are great for their antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antiseptic properties. They help to fight acne, reduce cold and phlegm, and also heal wounds. To make the onion oil, you would want to use low heat and let the onions slowly cook into the oil. Feel free to use vegetable oil or olive oil as you desire. We're using coconut oil because we definitely want it to be like a hair oil or a body butter. Allow the onions to cook for about 15 minutes on low heat and then take it from the stove and let it cool for about 20 minutes. And then you can pour it out. If you have a strainer, you can use a strainer, or you can simply just separate the onion from the oil. If this method is best, especially if you don't have a blender, and if you definitely, like me, would like to use the onions after. Yes, you can use the onions after. Just make sure they are not burnt. You can use the onions afterwards to make a sauce. You can pour the oil into a plastic container with a lid. Here we're using two small containers as we would want to use them as hair oil. Look out for the video next week on Hair Care 101 as we'll talk more on the onion oil and its benefits for your hair care. So making onion oil is as easy as 1, 2, 3. So onion oil has many benefits. Benefits for the hair and also for the skin. It helps to nourish the skin and makes the skin soft and supple. It also helps to treat acne and it reduces pigmentation and it also can reduce dark spots. Also, it is a natural exfoliator. Keep watching as we will talk more on Skincare 101 series next month. Here, the oil as seeped, and here you'll see it's like a butter or it is like an hair oil. Just to name a few benefits of onion oil for the hair, it helps to fight dandruff and promotes hair growth. It also minimizes the breakage and thinning of the hair. Onion oil has many other benefits to the overall body. It is great for improving heart health and also promoting healthy digestion. It helps to maintain bone health and it can relieve earache. It can also induce sleep and improve eye health. I hope you enjoyed knowing about onion oil and how to make it and the uses and benefits of it. As I hold the onion in my hand and the onion oil in my hand, I'm reminded of the creation story that God took the time to make us male and female. Onion, like man, was made in the image of God. Yes, Genesis 2 points out that man was made from the ground, the dust of the ground. God took the time to make mankind. And yes, he made male and he made female. He made man and then he took the time, he made man from scratch and then he took the time to make woman from a rib from the side of man. And likewise, the onion came directly from the ground. If you can see, yes, the hair of the bottom of the onion tells you that it came directly from the ground. And so, yes, it's one that is filled with lots of minerals, including sulfur. So, yes, as we wrap up today, be encouraged that God has a wonderful purpose for you. Yes, you're made in the image of God. You're not made from ape. You're not made from monkeys. You are made in the image of God, and He has a plan. He has a plan and a wonderful purpose for your life. I hope and pray that this week God will show you a greater purpose that He has for your life. I pray you'll have a wonderful week, everyone, and God be with you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. Keep watching.